Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with a little short video to get you geared up for what will be going on in week 5. Okay, so Monday, February 1st, my office hour will be held from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. On Tuesday, February 2nd, we will be holding chat number 5, our very last chat. Please see your classroom for details. Okay, remaining Unit 4 due dates. Remember, Unit 4 is extremely important because of Unit 4 discussion board. So you have 2 things due on Tuesday, February 2nd. Firstly, you're going to be having Unit 4 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Secondly, on February 2nd, Tuesday, February 2nd, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, everybody, your Unit 4 discussion board responses, you must respond to 2 classmates. But remember, there's a twist this time. Each response must be 100 words in length. And remember, you will have no problem reaching that goal if you tailor your post to your classmates' post. Remember, just don't leave it at, "Great job, Dan. You did a wonderful job discussing everything and answering all the questions. Can't wait to read more of your work." Well, that's wonderfully supportive. You need to go beyond that. So if you tailor your post, your classmates' post, and you answer the questions seen in the directions, you will have absolutely no problem meeting the 100-word count. So, okay. Then the Unit 5 due dates coming up are as follows. Friday, February 5th, you have Unit 5 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, February 9th, you will have your Unit 5 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, be diligently working on that Unit 4 DB, and please feel free to either email me or contact me through the C2 Messenger portion of the app with any questions. All right, and I apologize for all the background noise and everything going on. Unfortunately, I'm having a lot of construction done in my house, and I have to be on my patio. But anyway, have a great week, and don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. Be well, everybody.